Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 6i and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the additional settings. Now on the third position we've got date and time, so let's tap on it, and as you can see we've got some options which we can customize. So first of all, we can decide what kind of clock format we want to display, so we can use 24-hour format just like now, or 12-hour format, so we can turn off this option just by tapping on the switcher. Under it we've got also the option network provided time, so it means that your device will automatically set the date and time and also the time zone. But if you'd like to set it manually, just tap on the switcher, and as you can see we can set the time. Just tap on this option. Here we can choose the date, and here we can choose the time we want to set. Of course we can set AM or PM, and as you can see, after changing it here, it also appears on the status bar actually immediately. We can choose the time zone. Just by tapping on it, we will be transferred to the full list of all available time zones from which we can choose. And all you have to do right now is to simply find the one you would like to set and tap on it. So I will pick this one, for example. And as you can see, it is activated and applied here, but be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will obviously change according to it. Under it, we've got also some options which are connected to the dual clock and home screen world clock. So it's really up to you if you want to turn it on or off. I will stick with the turned off option. Actually this is it. This is how to enable, how to customize date and time manually. Obviously you can get back to all previous settings just simply by tapping on the switcher, and right now your device will again use network provided time and 24-hour format. So actually this is it. This is how to enable, how to customize the date and time in your Realme 6i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.